Hey everyone, Mac here, and today I'm going to talk about the 3D printers. Now, when we talk about the 3D printers, it's quite easy. The first step is the design is made using the CAD software. It is actually computer aided design software or any other type of software. Then the format is made compatible with the 3D printer format. The 3D object is made. Object is actually made layer by layer, taking several hours. Object is removed from the printer and washing is applied. Now these are the simple steps of the 3D printer. To demonstrate them, to have a good understanding of the 3D printers, let's look at a video.
When the printer receives the data, it pulls the material through a tube, melts it, and deposits it to the plate where it instantly cools. As you can see, the 3D object is created through layering, where the printer will add one layer of the object at a time until you have a fully formed structure. The most common material used in 3D printing is plastic, but the use of some other materials allow for the creation of some pretty amazing products beyond simple tools and toys. 3D printing food is becoming very popular, and additive manufacturing has allowed for the creation of some pretty intricate treats. In the medical world, doctors are testing biomaterials for regenerative medicine. By using a patient's cells, doctors could 3D print small body parts like ears and noses. Some surgeons have even tested 3D printed organs for transplants.